Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on your Ford Intelligent Proximity keyless remote. This particular key was made for models like Ford Edge, Ford Mondeo, Ford S-Max. This started in about 2014 up until 2018-19. So turning the key around, you have this button here, which if you slide towards yourself, so if you slide down, you will help open the case. I found that you need to use something to, I used a small flathead screwdriver to release the case from there. Inside the case you have the emergency blade, which you just push out. Okay, this one comes out like so, put it on the side, and then with the help of the small flathead screwdriver you have to release the clips which hold it into place. So you've got a couple of clips, one here and one at the bottom, and just release those ones so you can open the case, but please be very gentle and try not to damage any of the components inside when you do that, because you have the board just there. Leaving that aside, the battery will be on the back of the case. Again, with the help of the screwdriver, just release the battery. You have two batteries in this case, one which is a CR2025. They are both like this, with the negative sides on out. Okay, put the batteries back into place. Again, negative side on each of the batteries. Make sure you align it correctly with the pins. So like so, you have two guides, two plastic guides on the top here, and it clicks back into place. Make sure it clicked all the way so it's not moving at all. Right, after that you put the emergency blade back in, and the top cover. The top cover goes with the plastic guide first towards your keyring, and after that it clips on top, and that's it. Your key is ready to go. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. If you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.